Hello, WPForms and other forms that are compatible with the Forms Entry plugin we want to install and connect. So we go for in your backend or WordPress backend, add new plugins, install and activate Webinar Ignition. No. I was thinking of Webinar Ignition now. WP2LEADS introduction. And we go to the bottom. Connect forms in a different way. Here the list of forms we can connect, and also the WPForms is here. Free plugin we will download, or it will be automatically download here. So we go. Freely installed plugins. If they are not freely, then we click here. Show your installed plugins, show here. Click to connect. Form, popular, create, steps, instruction. So you need to have entered real data in it, because we don't do it automatically like in Contact Form 7. So we will click here. 169. I don't know why I do it in English, but I think everybody of you can speak English. A lot of things here in the hammock in Panama are automatic, so yeah, here you can see, and that's all the forms you can get for free, and also Contact Forms entry is included. So we install Contact Forms entries and WPForms. Yeah, I fulfilled my dream by being in the hammock every day, in the hammock inside the house or here in a terrace in the month where you have a lot of rain, snow, October, November, December, January. It's all great and nice here. Yeah, we just wait. Don't know why it's taking so much time, but we will check it out. And yeah, this installed automatically. Here. I would suggest we go and install. No, we create a new form first. Because we have some, but let's do some more WPForms that we don't need. Here, our forms, so we can just look at them. Simple. Let's use this. Okay. Nothing more to declare. Then we go here. We don't have it here, sure. But we can reload the page. As we have only WPForms installed, it's only showing WPForms here. But if we have more installed, more shown here. Yeah. Connect. Yeah. If we don't have any drop down, where we create text from, it's only showing these empty forms. Let's do something and add some drop down. First choice, that's okay. That will create some text for us. Let's connect again. Here you see. Now we will have this text. And then first choice, second choice. So that's creating the text. It's good, and that's a sub tag. So I would say you do like forms like this, and then you have all the forms inside. Because maybe your next form will be with set, starting with set, and then you can't find it. So it's a prefix. Tag prefix. This is empty. Oh, yeah. Good. Let's do a preview. Maybe we can create. Oh my god, that's good. Mark Ford. Mustang Finn. Your name. That's my name. I can say catch all email address for testing is good. Let's do the second choice. So as we read everything from the database, we need something in the database. That's why we don't have anything here. We will enable the module for auto. Let's just save the map and reload the page so you get all the data. Oh, here we have already testing data. No problem, but now we have the original data here. Some tags. You see here, that's the form tag that was sent. That's the choice. And a lot of other information that comes from this nice database entries plugin. Yeah, and that's all. You select your opt-in process. Single or double. Single when it's something internal, company internal, or with something, some customers or something like this. And if you have the customer need to redefine her choice, then it's not a double opt-in, sure, because you want sure the opt-in and the answer. And also it will subscribe this person again via API. Yeah, and if you don't have a license, you have some transfers for free. That's a split test. And you have the auto tags that's going from the value in detail 9. And sure, you can have all the tags pre-transferred because you want to have all the tags upfront so you can do marketing. But you have already, you see here, all the choices you have already here. And if you update it, let's update the form with fourth choice. Save. Let's check out what it does. Sure, when it's sent, it's doing it. Let's check what it's doing when it's reloaded. I think on contact form 7, it's showing that it's newly done or the form is updated. So, but here it's not automatically. So here change replacements. It gives you again these 4. So here everything is done. Also here you can change dropdown, but it will create new tags. It's not overriding the existing tags. Let's look at the tool again. It's all about reloading the page. Forms. See, now you have all the forms choices inside. It's all working, and it's the same with all the forms. Yeah. If you have a form that's saving, no, transfer all is not working, and before, so you need first to activate the CRM entries or CRM contact forms entries plugin, and then it's start collecting it. So for example, WPForms Lite does not collect this, but in combination with the CRM entries, it's collecting. So you have this also, but it's not automatable. So here in combination with WP2LEADS, it's doing it pretty good, but you can also go pro. And you can also select some privacy mode. See where the source is. And I think you have the source, yeah, because you have the, see the source. That's a preview window, okay. But you have the tag already here. No, here you don't have the source. But you know the form ID and lead ID. So I like this very much, and we have WP2LEADS since 2019, 4th year. And the people that using it, when they give up KlickTipp, yeah, then they stop also using this plugin. But until this, it's working. We focused on shop connection, but also the professional version connecting the forms is good and free for some leads. And if you go over, then you make a lot of money, then you can give some back. License manage, information about KlickTipp. Yeah, just click on save, and then you be sure it's working. Because sometimes when you change the admin, it's only working with the admin, IPA only working with the admin, then it's not connected and it's not sending any data. But in this case, you can transfer all immediately and retransfer it. When you change something in the form, transfer it again. If you want to go forward or backward, older, for example, it's just filling it out with test that we have some data, then you can also transfer this. No, transfer current. Yeah, so all is there, and if you transfer one contact again, it's just update and not creating them again. Here we have Forms Automobile. Oh, that's so nice. The map is also called like this, so you can find it and structure it all. Yeah, all the things are here. Everything's here. Then it's why they don't have a plugin for it. It's all on our server, and when we update it, it's all available here. Sure, this connection not get automatically updated, but the WP interest plugin get updated, and it's helping you. It's compatible since years. Yeah, let's go to the catalog, because Okay, one more thing before, it's statistics. That's some viewing effect. Let's go for all statistics because I don't know which one was. That's somehow interesting. Normally it shows the last one. Let me check it and then I come back. Yeah. So we did not have any transfers here because I was activating the automatically transfer after it. So you test the manual transfer. So it's here by clicking transfer current user. And if you click it again, it will just say, okay, we have everything, nothing changed. Okay, yeah. What is important? Important is also that you testing the form again. And should test it in incognito mode, but and this is test. Yeah, normally I do test and then the hour, because then you see, oh, at this time it was working and at this time was not working. This is the first choice. So. Something was missing. Here. So. There's some nice plugins out there apart from WPForms, and yeah, just use them as you fall in love with them. So now you have both manual, which can also allow a retransfer, and also instant. And that's how you back up your transfer body, and in the background it will just transfer it. No problem, it will always transfer it. I have it since 2019 for years. It's always transferring. And if there's some glitch, you have problems with your site or KlickTipp has problems, just retransfer. So it's all safe. Just stay with the contact forms entries plugin. Activate it. Also, if you deactivate the plugin or if your license got deactivated, you can just retransfer. Yeah. And the free users you have it monthly. So it's all for setting it up, connecting it, because like connection is not so easy, and you can show your boss, your client, your girlfriend, your whatever, and if they say yes, it's good, we buy it, then buy the license. Yeah, or use it for free. Give some nice review on WordPress.org. So that's Tobias, and it was WPForms connecting with KlickTipp. See you.